Right. Given this application question about uh, using law of sine, from a point on a level plane at the foot of a mountain, a server finds the angle of elevation of the peak of the mountain to be 20 degrees. Angle of elevation from here to here. That's 20 degrees. She walks 3,465 meters closer. So she walks from here, from A to B. And then you could do this as an application, find the height of your building. So from position B, here, a direct line between the first point, so direct line from A to B to the base of the mountain, and finds the angle of elevation over here is 23 degrees. 23. So from this position A, 20 degrees. From this position B, 23. Estimate the height of the mountain. We're looking for the height of the mountain. You could do that. We'll do that outside, having a field trip to a mountain, and then apply mathematics in real life situation. So let's do that here. Our target, look and listen. Our target is to find the height. Don't be scared from application. It's funny. So we're looking for the height. This one. This is my target. Don't look at all this now. Just look at this. My target is to find the height of the mountain. Look at this triangle here, this one. Okay, this side we need to know it, but the opposite angle we know it already. They give it to us, the elevation angle, which is 23 degrees. Okay. So what else we need to do? So this side, which is the height, and the opposite angle. And what else we know in this triangle? Oh yeah, we know that this is right triangle. So we know this angle. We should know this side, the opposite to right angle, which is hypotenuse. We should know it, but actually we don't know it. So the first target, not to find the height, but to find this side, CB, CB, this one, side CB. We're looking for this. This is my target. Okay, let's yellow it. Yeah, this one. This is my target to find it first. But this triangle doesn't help me to find this side. So look at this triangle, this one here. It will help. Trust me. So greeny. Oh, yeah, we green this triangle here. Nice. Oh, this triangle will help me out to find this side CP. This is my target. Remember that. Don't forget your target. Okay. What we know about this triangle? So we know the opposite side of it, which is the opposite angle of this side is 20 degrees. And what else we know? We know this side is AB, which is 3,465 meters. And the opposite angle is 3. They give it to us. They shouldn't give it to us because you gotta know geometry basics, which is we subtract 23 minus 20 equals 3. But anyway, they give it to us. They make it easy for us. The opposite angle is 23. Let's image that here quick. So this is our triangle that we work on. Okay. And we're looking for this side BC. Okay, I'll dot it more here in different color. This one. And this is angle A. This is 20. 20. Zoom in. Let me zoom in here. Okay. So this side AB, which is 3, 4, 6, 5 meters, 3,465 meters. And the opposite angle is 3. That's good. This side, we don't know. BC, we're looking for it. But the opposite angle is 20. So let's set that. Use law of sine. Use law of sine. We'll say that BC, start with BC. Or you could like flip it. You could start with the side, not the angle. BC divided by sine of 20. Or you could do sine of 20. Sine of 20 divided by BC, the opposite side, equals sine of 3 divided by side of AB. Side AB. Let's plug it in all numbers. Yes. So sine of 20. No, it's sine 20 was sine of A. Okay. So sine of 20 divided by BC. We don't know. BC is, this is my question here. We're looking for BC. And then sine of 3 divided by AB. AB is given, which is 3, 4, 6, 5. Now we're going to cross. So BC equals 3465, 3,465 times sine of 20. So BC equals 3,465 times sine of 20. All divided by sine of 3. Equals. Let's calculate that. So 3, 4, 6, 5 times sine of 20. Sine of 20 divided by sine of 3. Sine of 3. It will be 22,645. 22,644. Let's do that. 22644. 22644. 22644 miles. Makes sense. That one. Meters, I mean. The unit is meters, not miles. Okay, now we're gonna use this side that already we know it over here. We have different options. Use law of sine. You could use your law of sine. The side that we got it divided by sine of 90, and it's 1, equals the height divided by 23. Or you could use the opposite over hypotenuse, sine of 23. So height equals sine of 23 divided by this sine. So let's follow law of sine. But I told you that we have different options. So let's do that here. Again, let's set this here. Sine of, let's just start with our angle, sine of 23 divided by h. Sine 23 divided by h, the height that we're looking for, equals sine of 90 divided by this side that we got it, which is 22,644. So sine of 90 divided by 22,644. So let's calculate that. How to calculate that? So a cross multiply, cross. So h equals, we cross together, 22,644 sine 23 cross divided by sine of 90. You could make it just 1 because sine of 90 is 1. So let's calculate that here. So 22 clear. 22 644 sine of 23 divided by 1. So the height of the mountain is 8,000 meters, 847.7. 8847, 8847, 8847.7 meters.